When searching for the right air conditioning contractor, keep these important things in mind. When it comes to your air conditioning, size and materials truly matter. An experienced contractor can assess the size of your cooling needs by using recognized methods and can also provide you with cost-effective and ENERGY STAR qualified solutions. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find an air conditioning contractor that is right for you. 1. Make sure your written estimate includes details on cooling capacity, energy efficiency, and product warranties. 2. Your contractor should make sure that all duct sections are properly sized and that there is enough supply registers to deliver sufficient airflow to the right areas. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right air conditioning contractor. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.